Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, Annika.
Hi.
Who are we waiting for?
Ollie.
Yeah. Ollie's slow, isn't he?
Yeah, because he missed his train.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Disappointing.
Very fun.
You would know that if you checked group chat.
I'm going to get out my camera. Yep, I am. How do you feel?
Hi.
I will be using my camera. Where are we?
Wild.
Hello, Mr. TikTok famous.
Yeah, it's, I mean, yeah.
We
My
on
hairties,
train.
even though my hair's short now.
I also have an old 50-cent coin.
Banana.
It's round.
I have nudes in
Wait,
my
what the
bag.
heck?
Yeah, it's an old 50-cent coin. Okay, that's like the makeup YouTubers.
Oh my gosh.
Go here, like, go.
You know,
You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of Perth trains. I've seen photos of
Bye.
them.
We're going this way now.
Literally looks like a road. Like, the path is so wide, it looks like a road. Hey,
Yeah.
I can smell bacon.
They still have their Christmas tree up.
Newcastle.
We're off to catch a ferry.
I like Zoe.
Oh, the floor's weird.
Wait, why
I'm too short for this.
Why does this literally look like an aeroplane? Why are we on an aeroplane? What the? Okay, I don't want to sit next to Annika, so like.
Do you feel accomplished?
I do. I do. High fives.
Drops phone.
Anything else? Can we just talk about it?
We're getting off and going to a park, aren't we? Exit.
I have a friend that lives in Newcastle. Oh wait, I already mentioned that she's away.
Yeah, you did.
A YouTuber I like lives in Newcastle. I don't know where. Don't like Georgia Productions.
Too short.
No. Oh my god, no, I'm gonna be so dizzy.
Flying fox, that thing. We used to call it a zigzag.
It's not a zigzag though.
Path.
Those aren't, they're very straight actually.
So she said.
It's not what I said. I think that's what I said about
Annika, how are you enjoying it?
I'm fine.
Better than Katuba? I can't.
Katoomba. Tuba.
I can't speak, and I'm about to fall.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I can't say it now. Katoomba was nice.
See?
And I'm enjoying this, I guess.
Yeah.
Why is that one time all the old people doing the exercise? There's like essays here and I'm kind of scared. Like low-key.
They weren't huge ass.
Are you sure about that, Annika?
Yes.
They're just skater boys, it's fine.
I'll just drop
He
my
wants a
bag on
skater
it. It's so
boy.
heavy they'll be fine.
Fucking time.
Porky time.
Bananas are disgusting. Please stop eating it.
You're disgusting.
Oh, that's water.
Yes.
Rocks.
Any of these rocks.
Children over there, like their voices haven't even broken and they're talking about GTA.
Isn't that like MO?
Yeah.
They don't need GTA.
They need ATG.
They need Jesus.
We had this or fucking strawberry.
Yeah, that. I would not pick.
Can someone push Annika?
Can I? Can I?
Yeah,
Can I
do
push you?
No! No, she would hit her head on the fucking oysters and die.
She'll run
bro.
further.
She will die. No,
Bitch.
get away.
I like how it does that. I can appreciate that.
Exercise.
Bitch!
Why not? I have 60 Australia pins, but I've also got about 35 like coins and attendance pins. I have defaced money.
Oh my god.
That's
Come
illegal.
get the Australian government.
Come on, Sky and I.
Come on, Sky Mine. Go on.
Yeah, it's raining, guys.
Hey, can we go back to the ferry stop?
Nope, it's basically left. Back on the ferry. It won't focus, but that's okay.
Life jackets
We're back on the light rail after catching the ferry again.
Stockton was actually pretty fun.
Yeah, and we just took 2 photos down there. Well, not down there, we put the cameras there.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. Maybe I'll put them in here right now. No, I won't.
Travel agent from here. They're in Newcastle.
There's a crossing right there. We're crossing here.
We're illegal.
Evans. How do you pronounce that word over there? Under barista maid.
Smuff. Bay rice tomatoes. Smuff. Deli kiosks.
Oh, cool.
The cake.
Where are we going?
Woolies.
Woolworths. Annika, the Australian go for chocolate.
Yeah. I would say
Like,
chocolate.
Although it's not Australian because it's not from
white
Coles.
better, but we'll get chocolate.
Okay, I don't really like the white one just because.
Thing of public transport with cake. Annika looking dead. Ollie on his phone, checking all his DMs on TikTok.
I'm actually not trying to figure out where we can get off the bus.
Yeah.
Wait, get your hands involved in the cake or in something else?
Something else.
Oh dear.
Finish swimming.
Sandy feet. Hard to get socks on.
Also would be. We just took a photo.
I don't think I've taken any photos today.
I've got lots of content.
I don't actually have heaps, but I've got a couple Polaroids.
Okay, so from Zoe's Polaroid camera, we've taken these photos. Zoe's taken most of them. There's that one. There's that one.
My dad didn't know I was going to Newcastle.
There's that one.
look at him. Fuck Newcastle.
That one.
Because he doesn't like anything on the Central Coast.
There's that one.
Nice.
Yeet. I'm gonna give them back now. You're welcome.
Yeah. They're really, really vibey. They're pretty.
Vibey.
This one's upside down.
Nibs. Ollie's just dealing with his feet. Annika's on her phone. As usual. Boring. No. Okay.
Oh, we're in the ghetto. We've just been saying that all day. I'm in the ghetto.
Guys, stop bullying Newcastle.
It's a joke. It's not the ghetto. They're all talking.
They're removing the Christmas tree. And now we're going to find this travel agent.
Oh my god, I'm gonna live with dog for 3 months.
Risque. Okay, so basically, Zoe can't find the place. We're going to go looking again. That's okay. I believe in you, Zoe. Hunter Street. So there's this thing, and it's called street art. Gonna cross. Honestly, I think that this is pretty cool. Don't know who you are that did it, but I appreciate you. Okay, so basically, we haven't found it. We're gonna have to email the person. Yeah. This is very scary. We're in like these buildings that have no one. I saw some cool guitars.
Could you fucking be to get hit by the fucking light rail?
It's pretty slow. Look at the light rail. No, we're going back now, aren't we?
Yes.
Wow. Well, that was worth everything. Sketch. Cockle Creek.
It's like Bly. Bly. It's
No, I know it's not Bly. I know it's not Bly. It's like Blay.
I know.
Yeah, if it does, it's Blay.
I was listening to a song in the course I used to use, and it's like Zai
I don't know whether they decided to burn my mouth less because
very-
I'm used to them or because they're slowly burning
So what's
my taste
let's
buds.
play?
Happy.
I am very happy, y'all. And then what's
We're about to say
The
goodbye
chef.
to you.
I know. I think there's 2 minutes until my bus.
Just like hold the weight on what you. And it's massive Westfields. We on the coach back to Hornsby. Ollie's on his phone. Annika, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Look. Annika, look. Goodbye.
the only human that I meet?
This is the final bit of public transport, and we're down to 2 people.
Yeah, everyone's kind of.
Yep.
We're slowly dwindling.
Finish the train. Yay, we're finished. A very fun train to death. Gonna do it again. That's our 3rd one.